high school. Did you know that India wastes food worth nearly 1 lakh crores every year? Yet, hunger continues to be one of our biggest national issues. This gap exists because donors, NGOs, and people in need are not connected in real time. The stakeholders of this problem are homes, restaurants, hotels, and supermarkets that generate large amounts of surplus edible food that gets wasted.
In continuation, here is the problem our project addresses. There is no platform that connects food donors and people in need in real time. Every year, millions of tons of perfectly edible raw, cooked, packaged, and processed food are thrown away.
So, we're introducing a platform, Smart Reserves, which makes sure that surplus extra food, whether it's from your home or a restaurant or an event, gets donated to the needy instantly after the food is safely picked up. And if you're concerned about hygiene, we've ensured food safety checks, secure pickups, and so much more so that to make sure no food gets wasted.
And let me tell you how our reserve works. So, firstly, the donor uploads the picture of the photo of the food, its type, and the time since it has been prepared. The app's AI automatically estimates its shelf life and freshness. In order to ensure the hygiene and safety, our AI checks the picture for hygiene, spoilage, or contamination. Temperature and safety guidelines are applied automatically. No plate leftover filters reject half-eaten food or food served from the plate. Items that appear unsafe or spoiled are auto-rejected. Our partner NGOs use portable food safety test strips for additional verification.
Pickup or drop off. Donor can drop it directly or app provides paid pickup services. Delivery partners collect safely and delivers. Gamified rewards. Donors get points, badges, zero waste champion status, and leaderboard ranks. This increases participation and is fun. What if someone lies or donates bad food?
Well, we have smart safety layers. AI detects spoiled or previously eaten food, which is facilitated with mandatory photo uploading of their food by the donor. Upon repeated reports, their profile can get blocked. Both delivery partners and us verify the food's smell and appearance. NGOs use quick test strips. Dishonest donation will lead to their account being flagged and then banned. So let's talk about our future plans and what we think of the future. We're thinking we'll install smart community filters in cities which will be connected to the app. And we'll partner with supermarkets for unsold food recovery.
We build city level food waste map for the government, expand to schools, hostels, events and offices, launch a zero food waste certified label for restaurants, AI based expiry scanners for supermarkets, and lastly, we'd like to thank the organization Youth